Hello, welcome back to Cooking and Love, and today I have another specialty from Italy, la Parmigiana di Melanzane. Sigla. Let's start with the main ingredient. We have an aubergine or eggplant, if you're British or American, or if you're Italian, it's a melanzane. So yeah, let's start by peeling these. Okay, so I peeled my aubergine or eggplant, or whatever you call it. So now we're gonna slice it. So I'm gonna give it not too thin, not too thick. So I'm going to show you the way to remove water. So here we have rock salt, I think it's called, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to transfer here. Now this is a pan of water, just press more, we need to wait. So I'm gonna leave this for 1 hour. I'm probably gonna go play on my Xbox or something. So yeah, I'll see you in 1 hour. These have been dried and the salt has been removed. So now into the flour, into the eggs. And let's start frying them up. Okay, so the tomato sauce is done, and so is the frying. Obviously, they are good to eat as they are. I bet they will taste very, very good. But well, we're gonna make the parmigiana, aren't we? So yeah, we'll see you later. We're gonna let this cool down, and this, I guess. So bye. We have all the ingredients ready. We have the sauce, we have the aubergines, we have the mozzarella, ham, we have the Parmigiano Reggiano. So let's assemble this parmigiana. First, with tomato sauce, I'm gonna break this up. This is the base layer, and just spread that. Then we have our beautifully fried aubergines. This acts like a lasagna sheet, but it's not. Now for this mozzarella. Now for the ham. And then tomato sauce just to cover. And now for the Parmigiano Reggiano. Just make it rain. Dude, I'd love if it rained Parmesan cheese. I would just go outside and stick my mouth wide open and eat it. And now we repeat the process. We try to do 3 layers. Let's just see if we have enough, but no, it's okay. Okay, so we're gonna finish the mozzarella. For the 3rd layer, you just put tomato sauce. So you know, I'm just gonna finish the mozzarella. This piece is for me. Okay. and now ham. For the last layer, it's just tomato sauce. Guys, and look at that. So into the oven. Oh, I just promised. Oh, ouch. Anyway, 200 degrees until it's nice cooked and a little bit burnt on top because I like that. And I need to go put ice on my finger now. Okay, this just came out of the oven. Cameraman, can you focus on it, please? Now, look, this is what I like. Nice crust. But right now it is a little bit hot, so I'm gonna wait for this to cool down. I will oh, you know what, let's just have a quick look. I will see you all later when we do the taste test. Okay, here you have it, the final plate. I'm gonna try it. As expected, fantastic, fabulous, so tasteful. What can I say? It was done by me, obviously it's gonna be good. No, but yes, it's very good. I hope you enjoyed this episode as much as you'll enjoy the whole of season 2, because like we're currently making more videos, so hopefully you'll enjoy those. But until next, alla prossima, ciao.